a concise approach to top-down market strategies and the forces affecting investments. That's the spoken word on investing.
Well, the market has gone from turning in a fairly dull performance up to this point in the year to staging a pretty large point swing in some short order. We're going to get the spoken word on that point swing from our chief equity strategist, John Blank, now joining me via Skype from Los Angeles. John, what do you make of this market activity over the past few days?
Terry, you know, I would tell you I've been watching these international markets since their highs sort of middle of last year, and this short global markets thing has been going on pretty much for a year and a half, and it picked up speed in that October period when the euro fell and the oil price fell, and now it's gotten a third leg down with the oil prices since basically July 4th. So what we're seeing is a hedge fund playbook that's in its late stages, and we're probably seeing short covering today more than anything, which is why there's a big pop. It's been the trade that worked. Short global growth, short oil, short the euro, and it's crowded. People are getting out now.
So we're talking here on August the 25th, the morning of. We have no benefit of knowing how this day's market session will end, but at this point, when we're talking here, market's up about 2% on a rebound after a more than 1,600 point slide the previous three trading sessions. So is this technical trading, or is this all about China?
Yeah, it's technical trading, Terry. It's a short covering exercise. I don't think anybody who's really institutionally long is going to bother with this market until we see oil prices firmly move up, and that could take 3 to 6 months. So I just think right now the direction's down for oil prices, and as long as that's the case, this is short covering, and we should be very wary of it.
So there has not been a major shift in investor psychology? Fear is not taking over here?
Well, this is hedge fund trading stuff. I hope that people don't trade in and out as retail investors. The right answer is to be an investor, not a trader. Hold your positions. Let this thing work itself out. It's very difficult to read these markets because of the amount of shorting and short covering. It's a totally different exercise day to day right now than most people should be trying to figure out, because they're not in it, and they don't understand it, and they don't usually do it. So just hold your positions and let this thing work out.
Could there be a positive here takeaway for retail investors? Could this present a buying opportunity for them?
It could, Terry. There's certainly the case that there are buying opportunities in the cards here for stocks you've been watching, particularly large cap, well-known names. I wouldn't go fishing outside that pool, but I would certainly take a look at some large cap names and put them in my portfolio.
All right, John, thanks for being with us. There you have it, the updated spoken word on this big stock market swing. With John Blank, I'm Terry Ruffalo.